Welcome back to Code Force Technology. I'm your host, and today we have a massive lineup of job opportunities across IT and non IT sectors. Whether you are a seasoned developer or looking to start your career in management, we've got something for you. Let's dive in. Let's start with our IT job opportunities. We are looking for talented software developers, DevOps engineers, and cloud professionals to join some incredible teams. First up, we're hiring a Java lead developer in Tunti. This role requires 6 to 7 years of hands-on experience in Java development. You'll also need solid expertise in Oracle database. If you're ready to lead a development team and manage delivery, this is for you. Next, we're looking for an Azure DevOps engineer for our teams in Gurgaon and Pune. You'll need over 5 years of experience with Azure services, CI/CD pipelines, and containerization using Docker and Kubernetes. For our data experts, we have openings for both Power BI analysts and architects in Pune. Whether you have 3 years or 12 years of experience in business intelligence and SQL, we want to hear from you. We also have a super urgent requirement for a business analyst in the banking domain. This is a remote role requiring 10 years of experience. Now, let's move to our non-IT job opportunities. These roles are perfect for candidates from HR, operations, and technical engineering backgrounds. We're hiring mechanical engineers in Pune, including freshers with AutoCAD skills and fabrication engineers with MS and aluminum experience. In Nashik, we are looking for a store manager. Additionally, we have openings for plating operator trainees in Bossari for BSc or MSc graduates. Finally, for our HR professionals, Coditas Technology is hiring an employee engagement executive in Pune. If you have 1 to 3 years of experience in HR operations and great communication skills, apply now. If you're interested in any of these roles, check the full details in the description below and apply immediately. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Code First Technology for your daily job updates. Good luck with your application.